Hi. So we wanted to know that, what do you think is the role of entertainment in the life of kids today?
Life of kids, I think it's very, very important because I think like I was born in Madurai and I grew up and then I worked in, I'm now as a filmmaker working in Chennai, but before that I worked in Bangalore and everything. But I think the films which you, or the entertainment which you choose when you're kids actually sort of makes you what kind of human being you're going to be, because that I think is very important, because the kind of films which I saw actually made me who I am now. So that's very, very important.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Midhavi. I'm a film researcher and a content creator. So I'm here for the festival because I absolutely love films and I have my PhD in film studies. So it's like my passion, and I'm absolutely loving the vibe here, and it's amazing. So
Yeah, so what was the role of entertainment while you were growing up?
so while I was growing up, we had only two channels, DD1 and DD2. Be it Gabbar, be it Shakal, be it Gambo. So I think they will always be iconic characters from my childhood. And I think that's all. Maybe a lot of shows also that I can remember.
No, super. So today, parents and children have this struggle of how to manage screen time and everything else. Any tip that you would like to give? Like, how can people enjoy both?
So I think when I was growing up, internet had just come up. So my parents had decided a day for me. Like I think parents who say that they do not have any control over their kids, it's their problem. It's the problem with their parenting that they cannot control. So it's a very, and because I'm saying this because I have my cousins and my sister who is who is growing up, a kid who's like 10 years old now, and she has set limitations and basically boundaries. She has set boundaries for him, and that's why he respects it. So like she says that we will watch a film only on a Sunday, you will get only this much time for screen time. So I think that's why he really values it. He doesn't take that screen time for granted, and that's why he appreciates art, he appreciates films, and I think that's very important.
Super. Thank you. Thanks for coming to our booth.
Thank you so much.